Hello. At this point you can able to see my screen, but before that I just want you to know this is all about submission. So how to do the submission and what are the things required for submission. So the first 5 experiments based on PIC microcontroller you have to submit in the next week. So what all you have to do? The first experiment, it is arithmetic and logical operation using PIC microcontroller. Second experiment is LED flashing and running LED. The third experiment is about square wave generation of 2 kilohertz using timer 0 or timer 1. The fourth one is key sensing using polling and using interrupt. 2 programs are there. The fifth experiment is all about ADC interfacing and programming the ADC, configuring the ADC and all. So first 5 experiments you have to submit compulsory. So this is a timer program that I taken for example. As soon as you do programming, there are comments. If you open the template, you can able to see author and company and all. You mention your name. This is just to ensure that you are submitting this experiment and all. So in that case, you have to mention your roll number and name. Okay, this is first thing. Then you have to say once you build the program, suppose if I build it, once you get build, succeed and all. So I'm going to give you a write-up like this, which includes theory, diagrams, SFRs, whatever things related, and even calculations. I think I have shown in the class. Suppose if you can able to remember. So in the class I did the calculations and all. You simply look into it. If there are any different calculations, you have to make all those changes. Copy this calculation here, and then you just ensure that you are going to write the program. Okay, and what I am going to do, I will simply go to MPLAB. So except key sensing with interrupt, you simply have to copy this. Okay, from main program you simply copy. Only one program is there, key sensing with interrupt. You have to copy starting from org, or you can copy everything. Okay, so there will be ISR here for key sensing with interrupt. The remaining programs you simply copy down main. Okay, so copy this program, the working program, the actual program. Before copying, you can just ensure that you are going to get the result. So I am sure that at this point the program is right, so that is why I am not looking into it. So just ensure you are going to get the output. How to ensure you are going to get the output? You simply run it and just simulate in any other experiment. You have to simulate accordingly, and you have to ensure that it's a working program and then paste it. So I am going to check the output of it. I should get somewhere around 1250 cycles, as I already explained this in the class, so I am not going to go in detail. So hold it correctly so that you are going to get actual output. Okay, so you take a print screen of it. I am printing, or you can print here, and then you can use virtual printer. I have a virtual printer as well. If you wish, you can able to see what will happen if I do it in virtual printer. The same thing, I could able to see it clearly. Then you can take a snapshot, or you can simply hit print screen and paste it here. So that means the other way I am going to show you. If I take print screen, you can see everything which you can see my screen and all. So anyone is okay. nothing is wrong, and then you can crop it further if you wish, or you can resize it if you wish. So once you do this, you have to make sure that it is going to work in Proteus as well. So I am going to open up a Proteus. So Proteus, I already did this, so I am simply opening whatever it is there, and you have to do that experiment. Make sure that you have your name. So this name you can get it from here. Can you see 2D graphic text mode? So put it here. So write your name and roll number. You can mention roll number separately. So I should see these things just to ensure that you did your own programming, not somebody else. You are going to you should not submit your friend submission. That is what the intention. So once you do this, you take a print screen and paste it here and crop the unwanted things again. Don't crop your name, I should see your name. So this is sufficient, and then run it. So I have made all necessary adjustment. You can also do all those things as I have shown in the recordings already. So make sure that you are going to get the output. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I am getting around 5.1 millisecond, 0.5 millisecond, 2 kilohertz I am getting. So you can take a print screen of this, or you can take a print again. So I am going to take print screen of this, and I'll delete the unwanted thing using the format crop. Okay, so this is sufficient. So once you do this, write the conclusion, whatever the conclusion you want to make out of this experiment. So what all you got it, and save it. And this you have to put it in a single folder. That is, that folder should consist of MPLAB experiments, MPLAB experiment files. Also it should have all your Proteus files and your write-up. So write-up should have everything as I already shown. So write-up should have these things: calculations, if there are any calculations, program, the executed program by you, and the simulations results out of your experiment, and then Proteus results as well. In the Proteus result, I should able to see your name. So this put together must be there in the same folder. Okay. So this timer 0, now you can rename it as experiment number 3 or something. And similarly, you should have 5 experiments in this different folder. So 5 experiment you simply select. So I have selected 5 experiments. Right click on these folders, send to compressed zip file, roll number followed by your name. Okay. So this is going to be less than 1 MB, as you can see. So it is hardly 821 KB. So you can submit this. So this will include now 5 experiment write-up as well as source files. So I have 5 experiments here. Okay. So you can mention experiment number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I open this, I should able to see all those things. So this is expected from your side. This is all it for today.